girls, we all know the goodness of aloe vera. So today I'm going to talk you through some really easy and handy tricks using aloe vera gel that could make your life so much simpler. Aloe vera as a mouthwash. So for this you need to first take a glass of water and add a few drops of lemon into it. Add a teaspoon of baking soda and then finally a tablespoon of aloe vera gel. And now mix the solution well. Now your mouthwash is ready. Use this solution to gargle every day in addition to brushing your teeth and feel fresh all day long. Girls, do you wake up every morning with puffy eyes? Believe me, I do, and I have the perfect cure for it. So use some refrigerated aloe vera gel under your eyes before you go to bed and get rid of all the puffiness when you wake up early in the morning. Aloe vera gel for a smooth shave. Just take some aloe vera and spread it over your skin like so. So girls, this leaves your skin feeling soft and supple. Prevents dandruff. So if you're someone dealing with dandruff problem, you have aloe vera gel to the rescue. Take some aloe vera gel and massage it gently over your scalp. Leave it overnight and rinse it thoroughly with cold water the next morning. Now you know how helpful aloe vera is. Do let me know which one was your favorite hack in the comment section below, and also please don't forget to like and subscribe to POPxo.com.